Alrighty, we're back with the back testing of Aussie dollar for Wednesday, the 19th of July, 2023. Yesterday we ended, with Tuesday's trading day, we would have ended with a 45 pip profit. And I can't remember what the loss was, but it was significantly lower than the profit. But today we actually ended up with a loss of 21 pips and a 15 pip profit. And so let's go over the trades that I would have taken on Wednesday's back test. So first trade was at 1:55 a.m. and this is because I saw this move to the downside, and I also saw that it would have broken these structures to the downside. So I got in there. I was looking for sells in this area. Price came up, rejected that area, and it moved to the downside. That was a 5 pip stop loss for a 15 pip move, and that was the only move that I made that day. The next trade would have been in that same move, but I saw this rejection to the upside, and I was like, I've seen that before, and price has never come back up there when it moves like that. So I don't know why I still went and took this buy trade. It was really silly, but I took it, and that was a 8 pip stop loss that was hit. Let's see. The next move was right down here. So we had this move to the downside. This is the move right here to the downside. And I was looking for sells in this area. And it's crazy because price literally came right here to the zone. And I could have sold it from there with stop loss right above this area, 3 pip stop loss. And I think I would have gone right here because I wanted to see if the markets would have grabbed some liquidity at the bottom there. That would have been an 8 pip move, but I didn't get that. I don't even know if I saw that while the replay was going on, but I ended up losing 3 pips in this move, and I had it for a 12 pip take profit. And so in that same move to the upside, I also saw this move here. Right, this move to the upside here. So I drew this level of demand here, and again, just like the last trade, I don't think I saw this move here into the demand zone. However, I don't think this would have been a profit for me either way, because I think I would have been looking for price to come and break the high, this high over here. But I don't think price ever did, so it probably still would have stopped me at about 4 pips. That's what the original one was as well. So that's what happened there. And this would have been my last trade, but I actually didn't take it, and I am a little bit proud of myself. I realized that price was coming on, time was coming up to 12 o'clock, and I try not to trade Aussie dollar between the hours of 12 p.m. and 9 p.m. I realized it consolidates a lot, and I didn't want to be in trades for any long periods of time. But if price did come to this area, I would have been looking for a move up to this zone right here, and would have been putting stops right below that. So we would have had a 9 pip stop loss for a 27 pip move. I think price did go up there. It did. So, but I think that would have been like a 9-hour trade, and it would have been an excruciating 9 hours for me. So those were my trades that I took. But I realized this trading day, it made me want to be more serious about the trades that I take, and not just because there's an opportunity, but I have to make sure that all my confluences match up. So let's see how we do on Thursday, the 20th. And thank you all for coming along with me in this journey. See you tomorrow.